wait, hold on. Let me see what else. Okay, yeah, we'll go to the next one.
What is the best treatment priority? So it's a two-step question.
Okay.
A 40-year-old male found in a garage with a running generator.
All right, so what am I thinking is the problem?
CO poisoning
All right.
or some kind of toxin
Okay.
safety
Carbon
issue.
monoxide poisoning is what kind of problem? Oxygenation, ventilation, or perfusion primarily?
I'm going to go with ventilation.
Okay. So the main problem here is it's an oxygenation problem, because on this red blood cell, so here's our hemoglobin, and what's supposed to be connected to the hemoglobin is oxygen. However, in carbon monoxide poisoning, the carbon monoxide loves to hang out with the hemoglobin, and so we've got carbon monoxide attached in all the spots. So we may have 100% sat, but it's saturated with the wrong stuff that could still kill this patient. So this is an oxygenation problem where oxygen doesn't get into the tissues. So this is primarily an oxygenation problem. And how do I fix oxygenation problems?
With oxygen or airway.
Okay, I either do something to the airway to open it up to get more air in, or I give them oxygen to give more oxygen. Okay, find me an answer based on that. Let's start with D.
I would go with B, but start with D is treat as anxiety and allow them to remain in place. No. Give naloxone for presumed opiate overdose. There's nothing that indicates that as far as his presentation and the
what
scene.
would I be looking for a presumed opiate overdose?
Ventilation issue and pinpoint pupils.
Okay, I'm looking for, yep, and I don't have either one of those. In fact, you said that's primarily a ventilation problem, and CO2 or carbon monoxide is primarily an oxygenation problem. There, okay, I like that.
Administer high flow oxygen, remove all patients from exposure. I would say yes.
Okay.
And reassure the family because the pulse oximeter is normal. I would definitely say no.
His sats are fine. He's just got a little carbon monoxide poisoning. He's gonna be all right. What do we really need to displace all of that carbon monoxide from being bound to the hemoglobin? What does this patient ultimately need?
Hyperbaric.
Hyperbaric oxygen. Okay. So that's going to be pressurized oxygen. They're going to put them in the iron lung so that it can hopefully displace some of that hemoglobin over time. All right. So they need high flow O2. Specifically, they need hyperbaric oxygen. Let's keep going.